So this is a test atlas server we have loaded with the Fluoroquinolone study materials. The first thing we'll do is look at the data source. In this case, we've got 110,000 subjects from the SynPuff synthetic dataset. So here's the dashboard. You can see the ratio of male to female and age at first observation. Now we'll look at condition occurrence. We'll switch to the table view because that's a bit more meaningful. So here are the conditions. And now we'll do a quick search. We'll search first for cancer. And there's an example of some cancer in the dataset. Now we'll do something more meaningful. We'll look at a urinary tract infection. Okay, now we'll look at the concept sets. Now the concept sets are the building blocks of any analysis using Atlas. Here they're filtered by SOS in square brackets, and we find the ones we're interested in. So the first one is aortic dissection. Square brackets again, and now we'll look at aortic aneurysm. And here's the aortic aneurysm with included concepts. So square brackets again with SOS. And we can look at the other concept sets. So let's look at fluoroquinolone systemic. So this is all the drug exposure in one concept set. So this is the principle behind Atlas. You build concept sets of the diseases and the drug exposures, and then you can use the two of them together in a cohort definition. So again, we use the filter of SOS, and these are the cohort definitions we've built from the concept sets. And we'll just have a quick explore of these cohorts now. So these are the drug exposure cohorts with urinary tract infections. So this cohort has a drug exposure of fluoroquinones. Inclusion criteria has a urinary tract infection on or in 30 days before or after exposure. And just another cohort here. Again, pretty similar, drug exposure of fluoroquinone, no hospitalization in or on 7-day period prior to exposure. Now we'll move on to characterizations. And characterizations are where you see the results of the cohort definitions. So we'll move to the executions tab. You'd hit generate if it was the first time you were running the analysis, but we've already run it, so we'll look at the latest results. And here we have the charts that are generated from the cohort definitions and the characterizations. I hope you found this demonstration of the analysis useful on this Atlas test server.